This plan will guide the work of the National Orientation Agency for the next 5 years. It's being reviewed by members of the military, civil society groups, and government departments. They will add their thoughts and they hope this 51-page document can transform NOA and help Nigeria deal with its challenges.
This, against this backdrop, that we decided to invite all of you to have a look at what the National Orientation Agency intends to do in order to respond to these challenges that I have outlined. The challenge of inclusion, fight against corruption, deepening our democracy, inculcating the requisite democratic culture, inclusion of the citizens in programs and activities of government that affect their lives, accountability, both in public and in the private sectors, and so on and so forth.
The plan focuses on peace building for national development, increasing public awareness of government policies, and regaining the trust of citizens.
The premise of democracy is disagreement. And when there is disagreement with official policy or official direction, we take that as part and parcel of the democratic process. That is the nature of democratic engagement. However, when there is a groundswell of a loss of faith in the national enterprise itself, that is an entirely different sort of problem. And it is one that the NOA is uniquely equipped to solve.
What we are having today, we are having kidnapping, banditry that is going on. Each and every one of you seated here today, if your child was kidnapped, especially a daughter, kidnapped for 3 months and brought back to you with pregnancy, what would you do? When you put it as personal, it's no longer a data. Parents are suffering. We need to support those who are working. We need to support the military as well. We need to give them the equipment that they deserve and leave them to do their work and depoliticize the issue of security.
Some say this plan comes at a crucial time for the country.
The burden is somehow on the military now, so much insecurity issues. Military is doing so much. Of course, if it's not being propagated to the society to know what is being done, people might not even appreciate. It's an all-out war. The nation is at war. It's a national drive for this war. It's not a military thing, but the military, the orientation agency is really a very potent organization.
People here believe an effective partnership between government and citizens will lead to national development. The question is whether this plan can achieve that. Abel Ejikeme, Arise News.